How to fix ready or not multiplayer not working. Now, what I'm going to be showing right now are only the very basic troubleshooting steps. So possible reasons why you're receiving this kind of error is because of the Steam client. So what you want to do is to do basic troubleshooting. All you have to do is just to simply reset or restart the match directly from your Steam client. Now, the second thing to do is to verify the game files. So in your Steam library, just simply right click ready or not, and then go to properties, installed files, and then select verify integrity of game files. This is actually to fix any corrupted files that you have directly from your Steam client. Now, the other ways of doing it is just to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you're using a wired internet directly from your router, then what you want to do is just simply unplug it from the power outlet and plug it back in and try to rerun on the same lobby again. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix ready or not multiplayer not working.